Department of EEE, SNS College of Engineering. In this lecture series video of measurement and instrumentation, today's topic is ADC, that is analog and digital converters. So, analog to digital conversion is an electronic process in which a varying variable continuously analog signal is changed into a multi-level digital signal. For example, we can see an analog device which convert its signal or output value into a digital signal, and then it is displayed in a LED display or LCD display. So analog is for example, we consider a smartwatch where its process is inside an analog process, and then the time is displayed as a digital thing, where it's various sources and sensor which can measure sound, light, temperature or movement, interact with an environment by measuring the analog signal from such transducers. For example, if you are using analog to digital converter, you are measuring a temperature, whereas by using a sensor, so that it is analog device which the temperature or humidity, anything related to environment temperature, is displayed in a form of digital. So that is displayed as a temperature in a 38 degrees celsius or anything else, the analog process which is converted into digital process. So there is a logic where 1 is considered as high and logic 0 is considered as low. It is continuously changing analog signal and discrete time digital signals. Signal which have only discrete state, which is 1 and 0. For example, a 4-bit ADC will have a resolution of 1 part in 15, wherein analog to digital converter takes an unknown continuous analog signal and converts it into a n byte binary number of 2n bits. It can read and processed by microcontroller, whereas ADC is read and processed by a microcontroller. Microcontroller built-in ADC converters are available nowadays. So some of the examples and applications of ADC converters are microphones, strain gauge, thermocouple, voltmeter, digital multimeter. So some of the real-time examples are in a studio, the music producer is thinking to upgrade the studio. So what are all the things they are going to use for the updation is mainly it's works on sound, which is an analog signal. So it is converted into another form of digital signal, whereas microphones, audio, amplifier, amplification process are all involved. So, quantizing and encoding sets a major role in ADC converters, where quantizing is a breakdown analog value is a set of finite state, where encoding is assigning a digital word or number to each state and matching it to the input signal. So assessment are the throughput of the flash ADC is measured in a digital voltmeter used the most common ADC seen in telecommunication based on audio signal is in a binary weighted DAC. The lowest value resistor corresponds to the resolution of a 12-bit analog to digital converter is percentage is. So these are all the questions which are related to analog to digital converters, where quantizing and encoding is a two-step process of analog to digital conversion. Types of ADC converters are uh, single analog input and many binary outputs. Type of analog to digital converters. In general, number of binary outputs of ADC will be power of 2. There are two types of ADCs, direct type ADC and indirect type ADC. So, considering analog to digital conversion, there is two types, majorly classified into two types. There are direct type ADC and indirect type ADC. In a varieties of application, it is used for industrial instruments, whereas in industrial instrument, a lot of large size of conveyors or anything else is used. So the particulars, the amount of output that have been displayed in a digital output, whereas analog signal is converted into a digital form and then displayed in a display devices. So for the display devices, we have already seen about LED, LCDs, CRT displays are all. But nowadays, LED is a major using display devices. Whereas ADC converter, so digital form of conversion is mainly based on a 7 segment display, whereas the numbers are displayed in a 7 segment displays. So some of the applications are in communication system, industrial instruments, second sensory based system, which classified into factors like performance, rates, power, cost, etc. So, what are the two major things to improve the ADC accuracy is resolution and then a sampling rate. So, the sampling rate and resolution plays a major role in measuring the amplitude of the analog signal and increasing a frequency that can be measured by using the sampling rate. So, these are all the applications of some of the major accuracy dependent of ADC. Thank you.